Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's busy book is for my 7-year-old. We are touching these topics: time elapsed, round off, fractions, representation comparison part, some multiplication and some pattern matching. So let's start with the first one. So time elapsed question, this year only she has started reading the time, but like reading the time, like full-fledged reading the time, always looking at the clock, always telling me, just playing with the time herself. So that's why there are more questions of time now in my busy books, because she's really doing good practically in the time concept. So show started at 10:15 a.m. It lasted 45 minutes. What time did the show end? 11 o'clock. Simple. A plane left Delhi and reached Amritsar at 12:40. Its flight took 55 minutes. What time did the flight leave Delhi? So again, it's 12:40 minus 55 minutes. So she has to go till 12 o'clock. Then she has to go 15 minutes more. So it's 11:45. But let's see if she can do it. This is a round off topic. So this I'm introducing to her. Round off is simple. If a number is like more than 35, it will go to the next. Round off means it has to be 10, 20, 30, 40. So nearest tens or nearest hundreds you have to move it to. So if it is more than 5 in the last, it will go to the next one, even if it is equal to 5. So 39 will go to 40, 42 will go to 40, 66 will go to 70, 115 will go to 120, because 5 is still taken, like it has passed. So it will be rounding off to this. 23 will be round off to 20 and 75 will be round off to 80. So now why I introduced it? Because again it came into a very we were discussing about some money thing. My husband was playing with money with them and interest in something. So he said, okay, I'll round off the figure and give you $80. And they were like, what a round off, mama? And I was like, okay, I will introduce this concept of round off to you. So I don't know it's in curriculum or not, but because they were asking about round off, so I thought I'll introduce this topic here. Now we are going to fractions. Color more triangles to show 7 of 12 of rectangle is shaded. So I have divided the 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6. Okay, 12 parts I have divided into already. So now I have to make sure 7 by 12 is shaded. So it is already 3, 4 is shaded. So she has to color 3 more to make it 7 by 12. It is entirely based on the representation part of fractions, but a thorough understanding of representation. So if the child knows what is 7 by 12 and 7 of the these triangles have to be colored, it's be easy for her to figure out. Here we are doing the fractions of comparison. Again, we have kept the denominator same. So basically it can work with one shape only. Like if the denominators are different, we use different things, right? Like 1 by 3 is there, we divide into 1 by 3. 1 by 5 is there, we divide that shape into 1 by 5. But because my denominators are same, so it will work with one shape only. That I have one rectangle, I divide into 7 parts. So which part is bigger, which part is smaller? So I already made a tutorial for fractions, so you go check into it. Like it's for parents to understand that how do you teach the concept of comparison of fractions, but it is completely picture based. We are not doing LCM or any complicated concept. Just basically a child should know the representation of fractions, and on that basis the child can understand it is like a bigger or a smaller number and do the comparison. We are doing some multiplication and division concept. So it is very simple things. Okay, 4 times 6 means 4 into 6. One box of candies is $8. So 3 boxes of candies is how much? So because 4 plus 4 plus 4, she knows these things. So 8 plus 8, she knows, plus 8. We do not know the tables yet, but we know multiple addition. We are working on that one. So she knows 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. I think till 8 to 5 she knows. Here is subtraction part. She is not doing good in 3-digit subtraction. She's getting very scared, and because she's not able to excel in it, that's a problem. So I still introduce 1 or 2 questions of 3-digit things in basic books, but no, it's not one of her favorite topics. Again, very basic division. The 27 clips were divided between A, B, C. How many clips did each get? So again, 27 had to divide by 3. We do multiple addition, so it is a bigger number for her to divide by 3, but still multiple addition. I want to see how far she can go. And then again, A bought 6 more clips. So because here 9 clips would be given to each, so 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. This part is easy. This is a multiple addition part. She has to go till 9. So this is hard for her. This is again addition only, but it's like 344 plus 103. Yes, I did not intentionally did 100 or a good number. I did a 103 kind of thing. It's simple but little hard at the same time. But this simple 103 add karenge 756 and then 859. Yeah, so very simple. So this is what we are going to do in this one. Again, very simple questions here, because I think we did a pretty hard stuff at the back. So here simple patterns, it's add by 20, hundreds and ones revision, like what is 800 plus 17 tens plus 6 ones, what is 100 more than 263, and what is 10 less than 257. Very easy for her level. But again, when the earlier part are hard, I made things low here. There's also these questions we have done in the earlier busy books, just adding a little more complicated here. That I in the earlier busy book, if you have seen, I give 3 numbers and then ask to make 3-digit number. Here I'm giving her 5 numbers and asking her to make 3-digit numbers. So that one here I'm asking to make odd number using 3-digit number, but the greatest number. So she has to make sure, that one need not to be in the end, just figuring it out, that out of these 5 numbers which can be used to make greatest number, and still making sure that it is odd number and numbers are not repeated. So just adding a little complexity, but we have done these on in earlier questions. So hope you enjoyed this busy book. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.